Hi, I'm Evelyn Parham, health coach and healthy gut advisor. Before taking the social media brand noobs training with Jamar Diggs, I did not know who my ideal customer was. I didn't know what I needed to be sharing on social media, and I was afraid of email marketing. But after taking the training, I know who my ideal customer is. I know what I need to be sharing on social media, and I'm not afraid of email marketing anymore. The most valuable lesson that I learned in this training comes from email marketing. You see, I was afraid of email marketing, but I'm not afraid anymore, because in this training, I learned how to set up lead magnets. And after learning who my ideal customer was, it was easy for me to come up with my lead magnets. I also learned how to set up my forms and my landing pages, welcome emails, newsletters, sales sequences, all of that. And you know what? I'm okay with email marketing. It was a valuable lesson that I learned, and I'm so glad that I know how email marketing works now, because it is a very important part of doing business online. My takeaway with this training is to be myself. Be myself on social media, as well as with those I send emails to on my list. There was a time when I used to look at what other people were doing, and I would try to pattern after them, because I thought, well, I don't know what I'm doing, so I'll just look at what they're doing. But not anymore. I am confident in being myself and doing what I feel works best for me. If you are struggling with trying to find who your ideal customer is, what to share on social media, or even with email marketing, you're afraid of email marketing like I was, this is the training for you. The Social Media Brand Noobs training with Jamar Diggs. Don't sleep on this training. It's valuable. Don't sleep on it.